Hey there, I was going to show you real quick about the WooCommerce emails. So if you go to WooCommerce and you go to settings, then you go to emails, there's a couple things that you can adjust here. One is you come down here, you can code out the footer text. So this says that I've added an image, I put a little break in, and then I added a line that just said be sure to visit my free resource library. So we can code just about anything there. And then on the email template, it'll have up here, it would say like your new order, you've ordered these great things. And then at the bottom, it'll have this right here. So we can change that super easy. If you want to change the actual contents of a particular order, like if you have a new order, you click manage. And then this is a little complicated because you have to copy this file to your theme. So I'm going to go ahead and do it for one just to show you. And then you have to come over here to Appearance, Theme Editor. Then you scroll down to WooCommerce, go down to Emails, and you go to Admin New Order.php, which if you're like most of my fantastic friends and clients, you're like, what? So basically it just says this template can be overridden. You come down here. All of this code basically is just retrieving information. It's retrieving the customers, what they ordered, their details and stuff like that. To be straight up honest with you, we can add text to this. We can change stuff. But frankly, even on my own store, I leave all this stuff alone. I just don't mess with that. I just find that the customer really just wants to know about what they ordered. And if I need to add something, I just add it to this footer area. So that's my recommendation, though. We can go in and change the actual text of like the new order, the failed order, and stuff like that. And if you just wanted to look and see what they contain, then you can go to WooCommerce, Settings, Emails. Let's see if you want to see a failed order. You can click Manage, and you can preview the template by clicking this. And so that just shows you what would be copied over and what you could adjust. But again, all of that stuff is just retrieving information. Hope that helps a little.